gentlemen, this song is all about you. Hey.
They got hollow, chasing that fool's gold. I was restrained by my pride. Swore I had the right sense to not slip away again.
Hi.
I let it take me by surprise. Like the early night longs, I know I need your love. One step before another, it's time I recover. I give it all up, everything I am to fill my cup, and I do it over and over and over and all over again.
Please welcome our cosplayers.
Spartans. Alright guys. Tubig na lang to.
Tubig?
Wala lang laman.
Basta, lagyan mo ulit.
Mamaya. Ayun.
Boy, tada ka boy. 21 na.
21 na.
21. Legal na dito.
Pre, interview.
Interview, ano interview?
Ano yung pinaka natutunan mo dito sa academy na gusto mong iwan? Sa mga first year.
What the heck?
Sa mga incoming first year.
Incoming first year, tag doon, I think the academy teaches a lot about values, about character formation, but the only thing that, but ultimately, those are very good things that you can learn, but ultimately, you can only change if you want change for yourself. You know?
Nice one, nice one. Ikaw, may stamp po ako. Ano yung pinakamasayang experience na naranasan mo dito sa loob? Pinakamasayang experience.
Yes, and I thank you.
Yes, and I thank you.